Hi everybody, I'm on the road again and that means a new video. So I'm on my way to Jerez and just finished a 3.5 hour bus and train ride to the airport, and not Amsterdam airport but Eindhoven airport this time. And yeah, then I'll be flying to Faro and from there I will take a cab to Portimao. Yeah, let's go and see if it's still there. Okay, and just like that we're in Portugal again, back at the Portimao circuit. I arrived in Faro and there good friends of mine picked me up and brought me here to the track. So a big thank you to them, and I drive a little bit, stop and then go for sleep, and then tomorrow do the last bit, get the truck washed and yeah, well, park it again, start the weekend just like always. So without further ado, let's go! Okay, so as you can see behind me, The sun is setting already on Monday after the test. Oh man, what a weekend it's been. It's what a week it's been actually. Long week, long days, a lot of work. We had a crash, and well, today was the testing day. We tested a lot of stuff, like new aero package, as you probably can see from some internet site or whatever. So yeah, a lot of things to test. Yeah, so that's done. We scored some points in the race, still a top 10. Yeah, so happy with that. And then yeah, well, hopefully in Le Mans we improve a little bit more. For now, the driving starts. It's just past 9 o'clock, and I am starting to drive at 3 a.m. So yeah, I'm gonna sort out the truck a little bit. I just parked here again, same as last year, where the motor parking is, and yeah, then tomorrow it's yeah, full gas towards Le Mans. Hopefully tomorrow I can be at Vitoria-Gasteiz and then sleep there, and then start again in midnight. But yeah, it's not that far yet. So for now, good night, and I'll see you in a few hours. Okay, so that's it for me. I've done 890 kilometers, so not a bad day's driving. Yeah, unfortunately my 10 hours are done, and legally I cannot do more than 10 hours. It's the rules are you can do 2 times 4.5 hours divided by 45-minute rest, and then if you want to do 1 hour extra, you have to do 45 minutes again, so 2 times. And this you can also do 2 times a week, so not every day. And so I done that. That brings my total at 10. If you want to do some more kilometers, yeah, instead of one driver, then you need 2 drivers. Yes, because with 2 drivers, while one is driving, the other one can relax. So sleep, read a book, watch some of my YouTube videos, as long as it's nothing to do with driving the truck or navigating or whatever. So just relax, and then when the time is up, you switch positions, you switch your driver cards, and then yeah, you can start driving again. So also no 45-minute break necessary. Just drive, and then yeah, do this. You can do this each 2 times. So also a grand total of 18 hours plus the 2 hours extra 2 times a week. So that makes 20 hours of driving maximum. You can cover a lot of ground during that day. But unfortunately, it's just me. So I need to do 9 hours of rest now, and then I can start driving again. So that means this time for me, I can start driving at 11:30. So that's at night. So yeah, we're gonna do the graveyard shift tonight, and yeah, let's go. We have to get ready for Le Mans. We have to go there. I want to catch the train and go to my family. So good night. See you tomorrow. And here we are, almost in Le Mans, only 60 kilometers missing. Yeah, I had to do another 45-minute break because I could not make it within the 4.5 hours. Yeah, so that's why I'm here. Yeah, it was a rough night. Not easy to drive in the middle of the night with not so much sleep, especially not after a long week at the track, and yeah, again also not a lot of sleep. So yeah, I would not really recommend it to do this, but yeah, I made a decision to go home, and yeah, like this, yeah, it gives me just one extra day at home actually. Otherwise it's gonna be tomorrow evening when I'm arriving home. So now hopefully I will arrive at 7 in Hogeveen, and yeah, be with my family. But it is really tough, and if you want to do it, just make sure you listen good to your body, because yeah, if you have any fatigue or whatever, just make sure you stop and take a break, and maybe even a short sleep. Yeah, because otherwise you get accidents, and nobody of course wants that. So no, better to safe than sorry, of course. Now like I said, only 60 kilometers to Le Mans, and then I'll park it there, take the taxi to the train station. Then from Le Mans train station I go to Paris, and then from Paris to Amsterdam, and then with the Dutch railway system back to Hogeveen, and then I'm home. I hope you guys like this video. Of course, if you like it, do the thumbs up or leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do that as well. It's free, and do the notification on as well, so you don't miss any of my videos. And that's it for me. I go to the parking, and I hope you enjoy the last bit of my trip, and I'll see you next time.